All right, this is Hector with the Rossi Auto Group in Washington, New Jersey. Just going to display a little bit of an informational video on when you purchase your Hummer EV, how to change the ride height and put it into maybe like an off-road setting, an off-road extract mode. I have a tape measure right now. It's currently in normal mode. I have a tape measure right in front of us here. We have it down here at the 5 feet, right on the ground, right next to the wheel. So just to give a little bit of a frame of reference, if there's a 5-foot person standing in the right where the wheel is, we're gonna get in here. So I'm currently in park, right? This is to simulate if you were in like an off-road setting. You would go right here, your mode dial, turn it once, that activates the little thing here. We're gonna keep going and we're gonna go to terrain mode. Now it says here, electronic stability will be reduced, optimum drive, right? Oh, sorry about that. Go back into terrain mode. And then over here, I'm selecting the upper button for ride height. Switch to terrain mode to raise vehicle. Right, so we should still be in terrain mode. Accept. Okay. So, and then I'm just clicking the button here to extract mode. Extract mode on, maximum speed is 12 miles an hour. So extract mode, and if you see, there's a little thing that says it's raising, right? Wants me to buckle my seatbelt. Extract mode is meant to get you out of a bind if you are stuck somewhere where there's, water, and I'm just waiting for this to raise, where there's water, where there's an obstacle, like a big rock or something along those lines, right? That's what extract mode is meant to do. It's also a really great thing to show off to your family and friends, right? So just joking around with it, right? So yeah, just waiting for this to finish raising up here. As the vehicle, this one is warmed up, right, because I turned it on. Traction control, I will point out, traction control does turn off when you're in extract mode. Just waiting for it to raise up. It does take a couple minutes. It just depends on if the vehicle is on for a bit, warmed up, if the system is ready to go in that sense. You can still kind of see the tape measure there. We're kind of still moving up. All right, just to give you a little bit of a frame of reference. All right, so it stopped finally. There it is, right? So it's no longer blinking. So let's go out here and show you what this looks like. Oh, got a kind of big jump now. So at the beginning of the video, I panned out like this to show you what the Hummer looks like in normal mode. It's currently in extract mode, where it gives an additional 6 inches off. Right, so when we started, I showed you this just so that you have a field of reference. But you can see the massive amount of area in between the wheel well, top of the wheel well, and the tire itself. This is your Hummer in extract mode, ready to conquer any amount of situation you have to put in front of it. Very capable vehicle. So like I said though, you can only be at 12 miles an hour or slower on this one. Looks great though, tell you what. All right, so now you want to get out of extract mode to get back. You got to kind of jump a little bit. You want to get out of extract mode so that you can drive faster than 12 miles an hour. It's as simple as going right back into your mode selector. You're still in terrain mode, and you just hit down. So if you see here, I'm going to put it back to entry exit height. Now it says vehicle lowering, and it goes into, I missed it, normal mode over here. Right? So there's my tape measure as a reference. It's currently lowering. Right? And you'll see it right here. You never have to leave the cab of the vehicle because you see it right here. It tells you everything. Still wants me to buckle my seatbelt, but here we are. Just waiting for that to keep going down. As soon as this little Hummer depiction here stops blinking, that's when your vehicle is in entry-exit mode. Entry-exit height, excuse me. All right, it stopped. So now, when we open this door, I can see the ground again. And we're back at the original height. I believe it's still lowering a little bit, but we're back at the original height there so that you can drive at the highway speeds. This has been an educational video on the Hummer EV and how to select the different modes on it. If you have additional questions on this or additional questions on maybe crab walk, four-way steering, we'd love to help you on it. Give us a call. Our phone number here at the Rossi Auto Group is 908-320-4464. Once again, 908-320-4464. This is Hector Rossi. Have a great day.